Hey guys. The next thing that I really think we should talk about in this class is how you're actually going to write your HTML and CSS documents. These differences are called development environments, and there's 1,000 different ways to do this. For this class, I'm really trying to keep it as cheap as possible, so I'm trying to keep you away from things like Dreamweaver or Coda 2, which is what I personally use quite a bit, and it's a great package, but it costs about $100. Dreamweaver is awesome and really, really nice, but it can be a little bit complicated for our uses here. So if you go to Blackboard and you look under this module's assignments, you'll see that there's one called Choosing a Development Environment. And what I basically want you to do is go through a few different ones and just select one. Give me your impressions of each and just kind of, see what you can see with each different process. So personally, for the sake of this class, I'm going to be doing everything in Text Wrangler. Text Wrangler is a fairly simplistic text editor. It handles HTML and CSS files really, really well. It gives us a few cues that over time are going to make more and more sense to you, like the fact that I can close entire sections off of text. I can, just completely make it go away so that it's not distracting me. I can make sure everything is open and closed correctly. I really, really like Text Wrangler, and I'm going to push you towards it as much as I can. The other reality is that I am a Mac user, and so for the sake of this class, all of the examples, everything you see are going to be done on a Mac. And so if you use a PC, there are equal and opposite numbers of text editors out there for you as well. You might just have to do a little bit of searching. If you can't find anything, send me an email. I'd be happy to help you. So what I'm asking you to do for this assignment is very, very simple. I'm just asking that you go into this document, you read through it, and you just follow the instructions all the way through and upload that back up to Blackboard, and you will be just fine. This is kind of an example of what Text Wrangler looks like. So if you have a lot of documents open, it will have a list of them right here. You can close each one of them with the X. It kind of color codes your work for you so that you know what is a tag, which we'll talk about soon, versus what is actually going to show up like on the screen. And so I personally really like it, but again, you can kind of choose for yourself. So that is development environments. They are going to help you as you become a web designer. If you are using one and it is slow or you're frustrated with it, go look around and find something different, because there are hundreds of these out there and you will find something that you really like.